Yo, what's up everybody? SlyDemon here, and today we'll be talking about the new toolset I just got, the DEWALT impact driver and I guess drill, both cordless. So I was shocked when I bought these. Great quality, great everything, right? Upgrade from my old set, right? So when I bought it, I bought each one separately since the pack was sold out, right? But buying each one separate, I saved money, and each drill came with 2 of these batteries and a charger. So I have 4 of these batteries now and 2 chargers just because I bought these 2 drills separately. So fantastic, right? Okay, so standard drill here. Got your lights. It's got forward, backwards. Press to use it, you know? So simple. Or impact driver. So here's the other one we got. So you throw your drill bit in there, you just hold it, turn it on, tighten it, and then you can also loosen it. Yeah, so I love these sets. So if you buy them individually, you'll get more batteries. So just remember that. So with all my other camping stuff, right? 20-volt batteries here. I can use it for everything, right? So now I got like 7 batteries because all my DEWALT stuff. So when I go camping, I'm set. Never run out of batteries for 4 days, right? So fuck yeah. I do bring the drills when I do go, just in case something's wrong with the tent. I can unscrew something and change it, you know? So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.